A recent research has come up that 10 to 12% of urban girls are attaining early puberty, which we also called as precocious puberty, and 8 to 10% of girls in the rural areas are having early puberty. Hi, I'm Lakshmi Tejaswi, nutritionist at Eternal Aesthetics. I would like to give you some insights on how and why is this scenario happening today, a lot common in girls and boys attaining early puberty. So, early puberty is also called as precocious puberty. Now we see a lot of young girls are having their menstrual cycle starting from the age of 8 years or even 9 years, and boys are having developing their voice changes and having their facial changes, and their body changes are happening internally and externally in a very early stage of 9 or even 10 years for a boy. So this is a very big concern that a lot of parents also come up with. Why is my child having such an early puberty? So this could be because of many reasons, and one major reason is childhood obesity. So if your child is obese from the age of even 2 years or 3 years age also, then this kind of scenarios are very common. So they can hit puberty at the age of even 8 years or 9 years also. It can be for the girl or for the boy. So be careful that your child is not hitting obesity and is growing as per the age. Their height and weight are matching for their age, and they're not exceeding the weight what they have to be according to their age. So parents, be cautious what you are feeding your child, and make sure you're not feeding too much. Don't always go by their appearance. So a lot of common mistake that I see in parents is they go by the looks of the child. My child is looking very thin, so why don't I feed a little more, or why don't I give them an extra sweet, or why don't I give them an extra chocolate to eat so that they put on some weight, or I'll add 2 spoons of ghee extra for them to gain weight or look chubbier. So this is extremely wrong. Make sure that your child is eating normally and is having a nutritious balanced meal. Only then it's not going to cause any kind of imbalances in their future, which is leading to early puberty. So this early puberty is the hormonal imbalances also that is causing due to childhood obesity. So make sure that you're not feeding your child excessively or excessive fatty foods for it to just look chubbier. Second thing is, what are the quality of foods that you're giving? Giving excessive packed foods or store-bought foods like chips or any fried foods that we get it in the market and the supermarkets that are packed, these are very dangerous, because first thing is they're deep fried with used oil again and again. They're added with lot of sodium and extra flavorful agents and excessive colors, artificial colors, which are actually chemicals. So these can cause a lot of hormonal changes in the body, and this can lead to giving the children a very early puberty. So these are few reasons. The next reason is excessive meat consumption, especially red meat. Something like mutton or beef, your child is consuming excessively and also consuming excessive milk than they are required. So the new recommendations for milk is not more than 200 or 250 ml in the entire day for your child. So you give 100 ml in the morning, you can give 100 ml in the evening at bedtime, but don't exceed that. And make sure that the dairy milk that you're getting is also very pure and not adulterated or packed in such a way that it's mixed with a lot of chemicals or made in an artificial way. So this you need to be very cautious about. If you're not sure about whether you're getting pure milk, then you can avoid milk and find other calcium rich sources for their bones to grow healthier. So next is the red meat that I was talking about. So red meat excessive consumption also is not healthy for the child. This can also cause a lot of hormonal imbalances and cause an early puberty. So make sure you're not giving excessive of red meat from the age of 3 years also, and maybe once in a month if you're giving a very small quantity is absolutely fine, but not more than that. And even eggs, especially if you're giving, try to give country eggs, not the free range eggs. Don't give something that you're getting it outside openly in the market, because we don't know how those hens are grown and from where are we getting it, what is the source. Next is giving them excessive of sugar processed foods. Today it's very common having big bakeries or patisseries in and around our localities, and there are a lot coming up today in every city, every town. So don't, make sure that they're not consuming excessive of these can, because they're again added with a lot of sugar will again increase fat. When fat increases in the body, this will cause a lot of hormonal imbalances, and this because fat cells are responsible for hormonal balancing. When excessive fat is there, hormonal imbalances is very common. So make sure you are not giving them excessive sugar, even to calm them down or as a treat also. Make sure it is something homemade, or replace it with jaggery or palm sugar. So I've tried to give you the major points and scenarios that you can avoid and take precautions about. But if you have more queries, please comment below and I will revert back to your comments. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.